Well, I think it's fair to say that climate neutrality objective is such a big ask, such a challenging feat that we need to cooperate really closely because otherwise everyone will pursue a slightly different agenda. So cooperation, how to move forward, how to share certain tasks. For example, we should cooperate really closely on increasing the awareness, what's needed, what we are going to do. So involving all players in the effort to decarbonize towards 2050 is absolutely necessary. I'm talking about business, but it also includes NGOs. So business, NGOs and academia together with government, otherwise we will not meet our targets. It's fair to say that Draghi report and Letta report are setting a very, very good scene of what's needed going forward. I think that many people try to pitch competitiveness against energy transition. I think the gist of the reports of Draghi and Letta is how to make them compatible and how to invest in energy transition and grow the economy and increase the jobs. So I think it's absolute necessity to increase our competitiveness. We see that many industries are struggling. So we need to now focus on implementation of all we have from the Green Deal and really focus on the competitiveness level and competitiveness aspect of what we are doing. First of all, I need to mention that in the eastern part of Europe, we are particularly in front of what's happening in Ukraine, and unprovoked Russian aggression on Ukraine is creating this reality where we are shifting, or we need to shift the focus towards energy security. Again, it was in focus many years back. Now we're cycling back, and for me, energy security is not only change of suppliers, but also the focus on the whole supply chain of green technologies, and that cycles back to competitiveness again, because Europe needs to have their own industrial base. Europe needs to have their own clean tech. And in this part of Europe, Eastern and Central Europe, we are particularly keen on small and medium-sized enterprises. The renovation companies will, I hope, will maintain our leading position in battery production, in clean buses manufacturing. So there's plenty of things we can offer. And I hope we can sell this as a Eastern European way of energy transition. Many industries today in Europe are struggling, and we have to really focus on increasing competitiveness of those industries because they provide growth and jobs, and we need to protect them better and help them through the transition. And this is also coming up from Draghi and Letta report. This is something we will certainly focus in the coming 6 months.